Hi, how are you? So it's a month. This is your 1 month checkup. How have you been feeling? Everything okay? Perfect. So time for us to, we're gonna have a look. Okay, so first of all, let me ask, have you been having any trouble, any problems, anything you're worried about? No, everything okay? Great. Well, let's have a look. So you've got your gown on, that's great. So I'm just gonna take this off. So sit up nice and tall, let me see. I'm just gonna look. Great. Now let me just touch and feel. All right. Well, everything looks perfect. Your breast is soft. It's still a little firm, a little high. That's normal. You know, people talk about implants dropping and fluffing. That does actually happen. They don't drop much, but they do soften because at first the skin is a little stretched and then it'll come down. Everything looks really, really good. I don't see any problems. It might still be a little sore. You have that little soreness down at the edges, underneath. That's normal. You got a little bruising, but everything looks fine. Looks just the way it's supposed to at this period of time. Now, there's a couple of things I want you to do. So 3 things. This is your homework. Number 1, I want you to keep massaging the way Lori showed you. We'd like you to keep doing that. You don't have to do it as often now. 3 times a day will be enough. That's in the shower, lunchtime and bedtime. Number 2 is laying on your chest. That's super good. So the pressure of your body on your implant is really good. May feel a little weird, but it's really good for your implant. And number 3, silicone bandage on your scar. We want you to start wearing silicone bandage that you can get here at the drugstore, and you just wear it all the time until we tell you to stop. But now you're normal, so you could do whatever you want and wear whatever you want. You look great. If you have any questions, fire away. Otherwise, I would like to see you in about 4 months. If you have any questions at all, you just call us or email us and we'll solve it. But you look great. I don't see any problem. Have a great time. Enjoy yourself.